Hi, I'm Matt from Delphi, and today we're going to be depressurizing the AC system on this BMW 330e. Now, what's special about this vehicle is it uses the AC to cool the high voltage battery pack. So to do any work there, we need to depressurize the system first. Let's take a look. The first step is to confirm the refrigerant type. We can do this by looking for a label under the bonnet or consulting manufacturer's data. As we can see, this vehicle has R1234YF, so we need to ensure we have a compatible service station. Okay, now we have the service station, let's locate the service port on the vehicle. With the correct PPE, we're now going to remove the dust covers and connect the machine to the vehicle. We've connected the DS480 to the vehicle because we need to open the valves in the AC system to ensure we recover all of the refrigerant. Let's run the routine. And we're going to run the function from here. We can see from the gauges we have pressure, therefore it's time to recover the system using the service station. Okay, we can now see from the gauges we have zero pressure, so that is the system fully recovered and ready to proceed with any other work. For more videos, be sure to follow us on social media or check out the Masters of Motion online hub, or for more expert-led courses, please check out the Delphi Academy. Thanks for watching.